What's up guys? So ngayon guys kukunin natin tong Moy Moy guys. So kailangan natin to guys. Nakapag-draw na ako guys ng apat guys. So bali ilan na lang? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So kukunin natin to guys, Moy Moy skin na to guys. So magtatapap tayo ng 500 pesos. So it means 1,000 dias yan guys plus 100 diamonds. And then plus mayroon pa ako 129 dias guys. So top up muna natin to sabay i-draw natin. So let's go. So ngayon guys magta-top up muna tayo, no? Yan guys, so ngayon guys nakapag top up na tayo guys. So nakikita nyo 1,229 na. So okay guys, no, so magdodraw na tayo dito guys. So ano, certain. So simulan na natin yan. So 59 start. Ayun guys, nakuha natin, fix lang natin. So draw pa tayo guys. Wala pa. 99 guys. Ayan guys, so kuha natin yan. So pinyo lang natin. So 149. Ayan guys, so 199. Guys, inubos yung dahil sa asin guys, no? So 299. Hello. Alright guys, win, equip. Hey guys, so nagkulang siya guys, no? So magtatapa ulit tayo. So another top up guys. Wait lang guys. Guys, no, so yun nga, ano, magtatapa ulit tayo dahil kulang yung dice natin. So simulan na natin ito guys. Guys, no, so bali may 895 tayo guys. So i-draw na natin yan guys. So punta lang tayo dito sa lottery. Okay guys, no, so dalawa na lang to guys. So simulan na natin ang pag-draw. Let's go guys. Bali 399. Draw na natin yan. And okay guys, equip natin. Bali 599 guys, so kulang pa tayo, no? So magta-top up ulit tayo guys. Guys, no, so nakapag-top up tayo guys ulit. And then so simulan na natin ang pagda-draw. Makuha na natin itong Apocalypse guys. Dinos Capsular Skin. Let's go. 599 draw. Okay. Wadoy. Guys, no, this is it. Oh, my skin. Alright. Let's go. Let's equip this guys. Continue. Hi guys, no? So after guys yan. So eto na guys, available na guys yung Eternal AK. Ayan guys. So try natin guys. Isang draw lang guys. So testing natin kung suswerte na 9 draw. Okay, let's go. Let's go. What's that? Okay. So, it's okay guys. So, continue lang natin. So, 19 draw. Okay. Last one guys. One. Alright. Okay. Okay guys. It's okay guys. So, yun guys yung bago guys no internal. AK, MKR. And then this. And then itong vehicle na guys, Air Beast. Yan yung Air Beast guys. Tapos yung capsular, ads, and then the bag. The trailer, no? So ito yung background ng character guys, and then avatar frame, and then avatar frame again, and this avatar yung sa may frame guys, sa may avatar guys, kita nyo naman yan. And then guys, no, yun lang yung bago guys. Ito nagbalik to guys eh. Ito yung bago guys, ayan. And then guys, punta tayo sa battle pass, no, ayun yung bago. So click lang natin yun. And then yan guys, so tignan nyo na lang guys, yung bagong skin niya yun guys. And then tignan nyo na lang din yung mga sumusunod na battle pass. So guys, be enjoy, let's go.
I thought I had it figured out, believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were, living in a fantasy. When I kiss her, I don't know where we're going, I don't know at all. I don't know how we're growing, I'll be moving on. I'll be moving on, gotta let it go, living on my own, making me strong. Now I wanna show I can on my own, see how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby, I know it all along.
Okay guys, no, so ito lang, hanggang 60 lang guys, at infinity na to guys. So then guys, so bilhin na natin to. So unlock na natin guys, ito guys sa gilid. So click lang natin tong unlock, and then buy 499. Okay, let's go. Okay lang natin yun, no? Alright guys, bilhin na natin, click na natin tong okay, and then have to continue guys. So okay na guys, no? So guys, may meron pang binigay si Parlate, no? English na exclusive Ella post sticker, and then so claim lang natin to. Yun, no? So i-testing natin guys kung maganda ba yun. So okay, perfect. Guys, punta na tayo sa warehouse guys. Decoration, sales. So, stickers tayo guys. Then guys, kapalit ko lang mga pro I think ito. Skip. Ay, sorry. Move. And ang dance guys, equip lang natin. Okay. Real, no one. Okay, okay na. So let's testing guys. Emote. And the dog. And the dance guys. Here. You know. Go. Go. Right. Guys, yun lang for today's video guys, no? So, bye guys. Thank you for watching.